Howdy, Possum Patty here, and a new company, Globeland, has reached out to me to review a few of their products. Come on along. Well, first, let's go to the Globeland website. Beautiful little logo there in pink and Tiffany blue. And the first item up today are the Globeland Cartoon Cat Paper Stickers set. And you can see how cute they are, but when we go to the overhead camera, I will show you them close up. And this was $7.14, but there is a lot of stickers in this pack. Next I have the package of the Kawaii Cute Kitty stickers. And I believe there are 5 packs in here, which means there is a lot of kitty stickers. A lot of kitty stickers. I will show you a few. But they are very, very cute. Oh, this one has a lollipop. This one has a strawberry on its head. Oh, they're like food. This is a paw with a sausage. A cool summer drink. Kitty with a carton of milk. Kitty with an egg. Pancakes. Cherry on his head. Something good to eat. Whoops, whoop, whoop. Looks like ice cream. Fish. Just cute kitties. A whole bunch of cute kitties. Look at a kitty with a croissant head. They are just cute. Cute, cute, cute. Looks like shrimp. Oh, this one's cute. Look at this one. Kitty butt. Another kitty paw. So there is, oh, it's sweet with the strawberry. Just really cute kitties in food. Kitty pizza. These are really cute in the journal. Kitty with the donuts. So there's a lot of stickers here. A lot of stickers. And they're very cute. So one pack will go to Kitty Boho and one will just go for general journaling. And maybe one will go to somebody. There's an idea. And these are the Globeland Flower Fairies with butterfly wings, and it includes the dandelions. I love this set with the fairies with the butterfly wings, and there are actually little butterflies there, and one fairy's holding a dandelion, and then you got some big dandelions, another fairy sitting on a mushroom with some flowers. And these are lovely, lovely, and 73 cents. And these are the fairy dandelion butterfly winged silicone clear stamps. And I am going to try them out. I don't have a large clear block. I might not need a large one for these though. I could probably use that small one. And you know, when I was at the flea market, somebody had some blocks, and I should have looked to see what size they were. This block came with a stamp. So it has a design on it, but I mean, you can use it for anything, right? Each stamp doesn't need its own block. Okay, let's see. We'll go through these quickly. Carefully peel it off. I don't know if I want to put it on this paper because I'm just trying it out, so hold on. And I'm going to try some different papers. This is just white copy paper. Just using Ranger black ink. Beautiful. Ooh, I love it. Let's try it on some mulberry dyed watercolor paper. I should get out another stamp, right? Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at the little tiny details on that. Okay, let me get a different stamp. I'm going to try a few of those dandelions and a butterfly. I don't need to do every stamp. I'm using the big block. I'm going to try it on here first. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. Can we try it on the green one? I'm probably going to give these stamps 2 thumbs up. I'm not a great stamper. I'm not a scrapbooker. I'm not a stamper. I have stamps. I do stamp, but you know, I'm not fussy. I just stamp. Ooh. So, the stamps are very, very nice. And moving on to the next item, these Globeland stickers. These are really beautiful vellum stickers with watercolor mushrooms. You get 60 pieces in a set. Quite a variety there. Also includes a few other images, and it is $7.06. And look at that variety, and aren't they gorgeous? I'll show you closer up with the overhead camera. And this is a set of sort of mushroom woodsy stickers. There's 5 packs, came in this bag. And these are really, really nice. They're like vellum. I like the package they came in too. But these are gorgeous. Look at these. You know, me and my nature journaling and garden journaling. And these would be awesome in a fall journal. And there is a lot of them here. 2 of each. Oh, look at a pine cone. Very nice. And acorns. Perfect for a fall journal. A lot of mushrooms come out in the fall. So these are like I don't like kind of like watercolor. Yeah. Like a watercolor illustration on vellum. But very, very nice. Hope they're focusing because I'm not watching the camera. So very, very nice. I'll give these a thumbs up too. And last we have the Globeland, which is really a product from Panda Hall. Letter and number die cuts. I do not have any letter or number die cuts, and I wanted to try these out. This set for the capital and the lowercase was $6.49. And again, I will give you a closer idea what these look like and how they work with the overhead camera. So as you can see, these are about a ½ inch and the lowercase are about a ¼ inch. So perfect size to put into a journal. And I do like the style. I'm giving this 2 thumbs up. So, I'm going to have fun with those products. And if you'd like to check them out, I will put a link to each one of those products below. And a link just to the general website if you'd like to go and check out some of the other products. And also a coupon code, POSSUM5. If you buy $40 or more, you will get 5% off. So thanks for coming along today. Bye-bye.